Sorry, bro. Sorry, man. He's trying to throw a rock at me. Oh, golazo! Oh, yeah. Sorry, guys. No good.
Get off your head, you idiot.
Ooh, what a dumbass. Annie, where are you? Let's play the game. Where's Manny? Are you over there? Are you behind that little truck? No. No, fuck it. Oh, I'm still recording.
Go get it, you freak. Oh my god, dude, Manny. Why are you getting so mad?
I have bad luck right now.
Don't get mad because of, don't get mad at us.
Are you falling again?
No?
Oh my god, that was awesome. Oh my god, the ball's right there. Oh my god, guys. Kick! Go get him, Manny. Run, Hector, run! Run! Oh, fucking back up! Back up! Hector, run! Guys, I've been hit with the ball. I've been hit with the ball. I've been hit with the ball.